Hi there. This video is going to show you how to set up a proxy on Windows 11 in 3 minutes, a quick way to enhance your online security and improve your workflow. To begin, log into Proxy 302 and choose the proxy IP you need. Let's use a static IP with paper GB as an example. Find your generated proxy and copy its IP address, port, username, and password. Now, access your system settings, navigate to Network and Internet. Access Proxy Settings, and turn off the Automatically Detect settings. Then, under Manual Proxy Setup, toggle the Use a Proxy Server switch to On, and pasting the IP address and port information you copied. When your browser launches, an authentication window will appear. Paste your username and password to log in. To confirm successful setup, visit ipinfo.io to check if your current IP matches the proxy IP you selected. That's it. Your proxy is now configured. While usually seamless, you might occasionally encounter connection problems. There are 3 likely causes. First, you might have entered the wrong proxy address. Go back and carefully check your IP address and port number. Second, some proxies require authentication. Make sure you've entered the correct username and password. Finally, there could be a network connectivity issue. Check if your proxy server is online and reachable. To summarize, setting up a proxy on Windows 11 using Proxy 302 supercharges your internet experience. With just a few easy steps, you can unlock its powerful capabilities and upgrade your digital life.